Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The RSI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold rose over the key $2,000 level to end last week, logging its second consecutive weekly gain, seesawing against the weaker US dollar on bets that the US Federal Reserve is done with its interest rate hiking cycle. The Bank of England's ambition to create a digital pound has attracted mixed reactions. A recent survey carried out by the CFA Institute, a worldwide association for bankers, investors and finance chiefs, found that only 46% of UK finance professionals supported the creation of a digital currency. Chinese car sales in Russia appear to have peaked as domestic production recovers after the exodus of Western automakers, latest data showed. But recent growth in the market may stall as high import costs and interest rates begin to bite.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US new home sales will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 1530 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 0600 hours GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.